Welcome to the productive process of anesthetics in New Stetic. For their manufacture, the company has a sterile medications production plant with certification in Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP) and Good Laboratory Practices (GLP) under the parameters of the World Health Organization as a result of the evolution and modernization of the processes. The acquisition of new state-of-the-art equipment and the expansion of production areas allows today to have an increased production capacity to meet the needs of more than 30 countries where these anesthetics are sold, offering our customers a broad portfolio of products such as lidocaine with and without epinephrine in various concentrations, mepivacaine with and without epinephrine in various concentrations, articaine with epinephrine, prilocaine and procaine. Storage area for raw materials, packaging material, and packing materials. The productive process begins in the storage area for raw materials, packaging material, and packing materials. All consumables necessary to manufacture the anesthetic solution are stored in this area, under controlled environmental conditions. Raw materials include lidocaine, mepivacaine, articaine, prilocaine, procaine, and epinephrine. Packing material such as pistons, caps, and cartridges, and packaging material such as blister boxes, leaflets, labels, and master boxes. New Stetic uses consumables with certifications of the highest quality standards worldwide. Sampling and waiting area. Once the manufacturing process begins, the raw materials required for manufacturing are transferred to the sampling and weighing area to be dispensed in the quantities necessary for preparation. Our personnel weigh the raw materials one by one, according to the master formula, under controlled and hygienic environmental conditions that avoid contamination of the handled ingredients. Preparation area. Once the raw materials have been weighed, they are transferred to the preparation area. In this area there are the tanks that will be used for the manufacture of the anesthetic solution. These are subjected to a cleaning process to avoid cross-contamination. Subsequently, our collaborators add one by one the raw materials as established to obtain the required anesthetic solution. At the end of the preparation, the anesthetic solution is propelled through an inert nitrogen atmosphere that allows preserving the product during the dosing process. Materials conditioning area. The materials of our packaging system, such as cartridges, pistons, and caps, are sent to the material conditioning area for cleaning and sterilization. In this area, the materials are subjected to a washing process with high purity water, and then sterilized or depyrogenated to eliminate microorganisms present in order to provide aseptic materials for the dosing process. Dosing area. A nitrogen-driven distribution system through the line allows the anesthetic solution to pass through the prefiltration and sterilizing filtration cascade in order to retain any microorganisms present, thus generating a sterile solution that can be dispensed into dosing units. The clean and sterile materials are transferred to the dosing area to start the filling process. These feed a dosing machine with a high-tech automated system that has an approximate throughput capacity of 22,000 units per hour. There the cartridges are capped, dosed with the required amount of anesthetic solution, and get their piston. This machine is equipped with sophisticated sensors to check for defects during assembly, filling, and sealing. Inspection area. Once the dosed product is received, it is transferred to the inspection area, where two of the inspection machines manufactured with the most developed technology in the market perform the automated review of each carpool to ensure the safety of the manufactured products. Likewise, our highly qualified staff supports the inspection process, manually checking unit by unit with attention to detail to offer quality products. Labeling area. At the end of the inspection process, the compliant product is transferred to the labeling area, where each dosage unit is identified and labeled with the information of the manufactured product. Two high-performance labeling and coding machines label 27,000 cartridges per hour. Blistering area. A blistering machine thermoforms PET sheets by applying heat to form the cavities, into which the carton will be inserted. Afterwards, the blister is thermosealed, cut and inspected by our collaborators to control the quality of the product obtained. Cartoning Area. The blistered product is then transferred to the cartoning area, where the cartoning machine performs the automated packaging of the product in the commercialized unit. Each box contains 5 blister packs for 10 units for a total of 50 cartons. This packaging system helps to preserve the product during the shelf life after manufacturing. Technical Area. New Stetic has a high-tech technical area, where critical services are generated and managed to guarantee the aseptic conditions required during manufacturing. In this area, drinking water enters a purification and distillation system through thermocompression to obtain water for injection, which will be used in the manufacture of the anesthetic solution. The water for injection feeds a pure steam generator that heats the water to boiling point to obtain saturated steam, used for the different sterilization processes of the production line. Likewise, an air conditioning, ventilation, and heating equipment takes the ambient air and subjects it to a high filtration process to generate aseptic environments during manufacturing. The sum of all the phases and controls described above allows New Stetic to offer its customers high-quality anesthetics, with a wide variety in its portfolio according to each need. All this to make their lives easier.